Laptop running slow. If your laptop is running slow, these are the settings which are actually the culprit. And even your brand new computer will run slow if you turn on these settings. So the very first setting here is to do the right click and go to settings and check under personalization and then go to colors and see if the transparency effect is turned on. If it's turned on, you can turn it off. This tutorial is especially for Windows 11 users. And if your Windows 11 is running slow, this tutorial will really help because we are doing the authentic, genuine settings change. We are not going to install any third party and we will make the computer faster than before. So please make sure this is turned off. And the next setting is to check the PC C drive where your operating system is installed. See how much space you have left. If you have less than 20 to 50 GB, make sure you enable the, make sure you free up the space. The next setting is not turning on the storage sense. So here in the search bar, type storage and go to storage settings and wait for 30 seconds only. Not even 30 seconds, I would say 20 seconds max. Now, this will scan the whole computer and it will show you how much installed apps, how much document, how much temporary files we have, what are the cleanup recommendation. Trust me, if you have a lot of junk in your computer, it will not only slow down your computer, it will also take huge space in your computer. So please come to this setting and check whether you have junk sitting there and making your computer slow. And trust me, once you clean these junk, you really get a good satisfaction. So here you get the cleanup recommendation, go to downloads, recycle bin, and see what exactly you have. All right. And please make sure you turn on the storage sense. Once you click on that, make sure you run it every week, every month. At least every week is recommended. All right. And once you're done with this, see how much temp sitting there in your computer. So do a right click, go to run, and in the run window, type temp. That's it. Just type temp like this and click on OK. And you will find a location where all the junks are there. You can press Control A. This is a very clean computer. It has only 14 MB, but in your case, you might have more than 10 GB sitting there. So you can press Shift Delete and hit Enter. And you can skip for some of the item. Again, do a right click and go to Run. And this time type percentage temp percentage and click on OK. And here as well, this is also a location where the tracks and temporary files get stored, which is no longer required. You can press Control A, press Shift and Delete, and hit Enter. And some of the file will not get deleted. We can do this for all current item, and we can click on Skip. The next culprit is a startup item. So do a right click, go to Task Manager, and here go to Startup Apps. Maximize it. See how many applications are at the startup. Leave security, leave sound, leave internet, and whatever is there which you can use it later, you do not need at the startup. Simply disable it from the start. It will not only decrease the boot time, it will also make your computer faster. All right. So you can also do that. And I'll close this. The next setting, which is the culprit, I'll do a right click. I'll go to settings and then we will go to system. And here we will go to power and battery and the power mode. Optimize your device power and use. It should be balanced. All right. You can make sure this is balanced. And you also get energy recommendation. You can see that and you can just play around with it. But this power mode should be balanced if you want your computer faster, or you can increase it for best performance if you want. Balance will do good, but if you want more efficiency, more performance on a battery, you can select best performance like this. All right. So you can also try that. Once this is done, close this window. And if you're using Google Chrome, then open it. And here I'll go to settings. System, you can continue running background apps when Google Chrome. This is a very important setting. Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. This should be turned off because it takes a lot of resources. All right. So by disabling this, you will have more good amount of RAM, CPU, graphics will be saved. So please make sure this continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed should be turned on. All right. So, and these are the settings. And one more setting which you can do is to update your Windows. Go to, do a right click, go to settings and click on Windows Update, check for up. The next is repair your computer. If your operating system have some corruption, there could be a possibility that there are some corruptions or bugs are there. Then I would recommend to scan your computer from a Microsoft command. I'll tell you how you can do that. So type CMD, run as administrator, say yes, and here type SFC space / scan now. I'll maximize it so that you can type SFC space. This is a Microsoft command. This runs a good scan on your computer. Takes 2 to 5 minutes to scan the whole computer. And if there is any corruption, any misplacement of files, when operating system files, it makes it better. It repairs it. All right. So if there is any issues, this will be fixed by this only. You can also do that. And also scan for the virus if you have any virus in your computer. So at the bottom right corner, where you have your Windows security, click on that and go to virus and threat detection. Do a quick scan. All right. And make sure the virus and threat protection updates are updated. You can see it is updated, the last update, 9th of February. Today it has been checked. So you should also upload the virus definition. Update the virus definition and then run a quick scan. And estimated time is 30 seconds, which is good. So you can also try that. Do these settings, and I'm sure after doing these settings, your computer, your Windows 11 laptop or your desktop will definitely run faster. And guys, do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial is helpful or not. Because if you leave a single comment, that will really motivate me to make more tutorials like this. So I really need your support, guys. Please do share, hit the like button, and do subscribe and leave a comment. I'll be glad if it is. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.